Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. Certainly. Setting an environment variable for a Python script on Windows 10 involves manipulating system settings to provide specific information accessible to the script during execution. Here's a step-by-step tutorial along with code examples to demonstrate how to achieve this. Environment variables are system-wide settings that provide information to programs and scripts about the system's configuration, like paths to directories or specific settings. Method 1, using command prompt. Open command prompt, press Win+R, type cmd, and press enter. Set the environment variable. Replace variable underscore name with the name of your variable and variable underscore value with the value you want to assign. Example. Method 2, using PowerShell. Open PowerShell, press Win+X and select Windows PowerShell. Set the environment variable. Replace variable underscore name with the name of your variable and variable underscore value with the value you want to assign. Example. Now that the environment variable is set, you can access it within your Python script. Python code example. Create a Python script to access the environment variable we just set. Save the Python script with the code above and execute it. Ensure the environment variable is set before running the script to see the output. Execute the Python script. If the environment variable API_key is correctly set, the script will print the API key value. If not, it will indicate that the API key is not found. By following these steps, you can effectively set environment variables on Windows 10 and access them within your Python scripts. ChatGPT.